Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about complementary angles and supplementary angles. These two type of angles we will going to learn in today's class. First one is complementary angle. We will learn what is a complementary angle, what is a supplementary angle, how to find out a complementary angle for a given angle, how to find out an angle for a given supplementary angle. Okay, so first of all we will going to learn about what is a complementary angle. Complementary angles are two angles with a sum of 90. Okay, first line is complementary angles are two angles with a sum of 90. What that mean? Means two angles will be complementary angle if and only if their sum is 90 degree. Means let's suppose I am going to share one figure with you. Yes, and this one. Now let me give the name A, B, C, O. Okay, now you can see this is a 90 degree angle and it has been divided in two parts, AOB and BOC. Means these angles, angle AOB and angle BOC will be complementary if and only if their sum is 90 degree. Means angle AOB plus angle BOC means angle AOB this one, angle BOC this one. If the sum of both the angles is 90 degree, that means these two angles are complementary angle. What is the second line? A common case is when they form a right angle. Means form a complementary because the sum will be 90 degree. Okay. So the main thing is if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that means they are complementary angle. Angle AOB and angle BOC are complementary angles. Now we are going to talk about supplementary angle. What is a supplementary angle? What are the supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are two angles with a sum of 180. Okay, so if two angles has been given to us and somebody asks that is they are complementary or supplementary, we simply need to check their sum. If the sum is 90, that means complementary angle. If the sum is 180, that means supplementary angle. Let's see this example. This is point A, point B, point C and O. Now you can see angle AOB and angle AOC both are supplementary angle. Why? Because you know this complete angle is 180 degree. So this angle and this angle both are supplementary angles because angle AOB and angle AOC, if you add both the angles, the sum will be 180 degree. Means these both angles are supplementary angles. Now I am going to repeat. If the sum of two angle is 90 degree, that means they are complementary angle. If the sum is 180 degree, that means they are supplementary angle. Okay, now move on to the next slide. Okay, so what have I told you? That if two angles are given to you, if two angles has been given to you and he is asking about check whether they are complementary or supplementary. So you will be going to check what is the sum. If the sum is 90, that means complementary. If the sum is 180, that means they are supplementary. Suppose this is angle X and this is angle Y. So if they are complementary, that means X plus Y will be 90 degree. Let's suppose this angle is X and this angle is Y. So if the sum X plus Y is 180 degree, that means they are supplementary. Okay, the sum should be exactly 90. If it is 89 or 88, you cannot say that is complementary. No, if the sum is exactly 90, that means they are complementary angle. If the sum is exactly 180, that means they are supplementary angle. Now I am going to give you some example. You will check whether they are complementary angles or not. 30 and 60, 40 and 30, 50 and let's say 30. Okay, now check. If you add this, you will going to have the sum 90. Okay, that means if you going to add this, the sum will be 90. Okay, that means they are complementary. Okay, now add these two, 40 plus 30, 70. It is not 90. So these two angles are not complementary. Add this, 5 plus 3, 8, 80 degree. So they are also not complementary because the sum should be exactly 90. Then only the angles will be called complementary. Now I am going to give some examples for supplementary angle also. What do you need to check? You are going to check the sum. 120 and 40, 120 and 60, 110 and 70. Okay, now let's check. 120 and 40, 160. The sum is not 180. So these angles are not supplementary angle. 120 and 60. The sum is 180. Okay, that means they are supplementary angle. Okay, now these two angles, 110 and 70. What is the sum? 180 degree. Okay, these are also supplementary angle. So if you want to check complementary or supplementary angle, you just have to simply add them. If the sum is 90 degree, that means they are complementary angle, and if the sum is 180 degree, that means they are supplementary angle. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Now I am going to give you some examples. You will pause the video and you will check whether the angles are complementary or supplementary. Okay. Let's take one more, 130 and 30. Okay, let's check. First you will going to pause the video and you will going to solve all these questions, and you will going to check whether these are complementary and supplementary, and then again you will again run this video and then check whether you have done correctly or not. Now I am going to solve. Add 30 plus 55. How much is the sum? 85. So it is neither complementary nor supplementary. 40 degree plus 50 degree. What is the sum? 90 degree. That means this is complementary, not supplementary. 130 and 50, the sum is 180 degree. That means it is not complementary, it is a supplementary angle. Now add this. that is 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. Now add these 125 and 55, 180 degree. That means these are not complementary, these are supplementary angles. 130 and 30, 160. So this is neither complementary nor supplementary. If the sum is 90, that means complementary angle. If the sum is 180, that means supplementary angle. Any other angle, if it is 85 or 160, it will be neither complementary nor supplementary. You will have to check the sum, and the sum should be 90 or 180. If sum is 90, that means these are complementary angles. If the sum is 180, that means these are supplementary angles. Let's move on to the next topic. Now, what is the question? Find out complementary and supplementary angle for a given angle. These are the given angles, and you have to find out complementary angle for this angle, and you have to find out supplementary angle for a given angle, and that is 30 degree. So in the complementary angle, what is the sum? 90. So you have to subtract that given angle from 90. What is the sum for 180 degree? What is the sum for supplementary angle? That is 180 degree. So you have to subtract 180 minus 30, and you will going to have the supplementary angle. So do it. minus 30. So how much? 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree is the complementary angle of 30 degree. Now supplementary angle means 180 minus given angle. What is the given angle? 30 degree. 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. Okay, so means 30 degree and 150 degree are complementary angles. 30 degree and 60 degree are, 30 degree and 150 degree are supplementary angles. 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary angles. Now you have to complete this table like this. You have to find out complementary and supplementary. You will going to pause this video and complete these two tables, and then you will again play the video and check whether you have done it correctly or not. Now 60 degree. Now I am going to solve the table for all the angles. 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Okay, the complementary angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. 60 degree and 30 degree, both are complementary angles. 180 minus 60 degree. How much? 120 degree. Okay, that means 60 degree and 120 degree are complementary angles. Now 90 minus 45, that is 45 degree. Okay, 180 minus 45, that is 135 degree. 90 minus 80, 10 degree. 180 minus 80, that will be 100 degree. 90 minus 32, what will be the answer? 58 degree. And 180 minus 32, that will be 148 degree. Understood or not understood? In the complementary part, you have to subtract from 90. If you want to find out the complementary part, you have to subtract the given angle from 90. And if you want to find out the supplementary part, you have to subtract it from 180. For complementary part, you have to subtract it from 90. For supplementary part, you have to subtract it from 180 degree. Okay, 10 degree, that will be 80 degree. 90 minus 10, 80 degree. Okay, 180 minus 10, 170 degree. Okay, so this complementary and supplementary part is over. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone.